Okay, today we're going to work on graphing horizontal and vertical lines. So I'm going to graph y equals -3, and I'm going to graph x is equal to 2. So usually you can make a table first if you'd like, and so I would suggest that until you get used to which ones are horizontal and which ones are vertical. So if I did this with this one, I would say y is -3. So no matter what I have for x, I'm going to have -3. And I've always told you to go ahead and plot 3 points. So I'm going to plot 0, -3, 1, -3, and -1, -3. I've got one on both sides of 0, and then I also have. So then on my graph here, here's my y and my x. So 0, -3 would be 0, 1, 2, 3 is negative. 1, -3 would be down here, and -1, 1, 2, 3. And then I would draw it with a straight edge. I would draw my line through all of that. So that makes a horizontal line. So when y equals something, you'll have a horizontal line on that number, -3. So whenever it's y equals, you're going to have horizontal. You can always just make a table to figure that out. We'll use our same graph because this one's going to be a vertical line. And so we'll do a table again. So x and y. X is always going to be 2, so I'm going to do 3 points. And I can have y be anything because x is always going to be 2, so I can put 0, -1, and 1 as well. So on this particular one, if I go 2 and then I go 0 and 2, -1 and 2, +1, you're going to notice that my line is going to be vertical or up and down. So whenever you have an x equals and just one solid number, that's a vertical line. Whenever you have y equals and one solid number or it's constant, you will have a horizontal line. So with this information, I want you to try some on your own. So click next to do that. If you have any questions beyond that, you can either watch this again or ask tomorrow morning.